Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Dentistry Talks. Hi, I'm Dr. Soumya. In this video, we're going to discuss about local anesthetics. It's very important and it is the basic thing you should be knowing in your clinical practice. Let's get into the video. In this video, I'll be discussing about definition, indications and classification and composition of the local anesthetic. In future videos, I'll discuss about mechanism of action and adverse effects of LA. Why do you think LA is so important in dentistry? Because it is the widely used method for pain control, to give painless treatment and to provide comfort to the patient. That's why we widely use LA in dentistry. Let's see the two types of anesthesia. General anesthesia, which induces unconsciousness, which is a reversible process, whereas local anesthesia, which causes loss of sensation in a particular area, which is also reversible process without inducing unconsciousness. Let's see the definition of local anesthesia. Local anesthesia is defined as loss of sensation in a particular area of the body. It is caused by depression of excitation in the nerve endings or inhibition of conduction process in the peripheral nerves. Commonly used local anesthetics are lignocaine or xylocaine, benzocaine, bupivacaine, dibucaine, tetracaine. These are the commonly used local anesthetics. When we speak about indications, local anesthetics are commonly used in minor surgery such as extraction, root canal treatment, and for the restoration, and in case of suturing it is widely used. So when compared to with procaine, lidocaine is best because it is rapid in onset and it has longer duration of action and more prompt anesthesia, and it has greater potency. Let's speak about classification. Local anesthetics are broadly classified into two groups based on the chemical structure. First one is amide group and the second one is ester group. Amide is metabolized in the liver. Ester is metabolized by the pseudocholinesterase in plasma. So when we speak about amide group, here is the mnemonic to remember the names of amide group: mepivacaine, articaine, prilocaine, lidocaine, bupivacaine. That is MAPLB. When we speak about ester group, which is procaine, cocaine, tetracaine and benzocaine. Based on mode of application, it is classified into two types: topical and injectable. Under topical, it is further classified into two types, which is soluble and insoluble. Under soluble, you can see cocaine, we have lidocaine, we have tetracaine. Under insoluble, we have benzocaine. When we speak about injectable, we have lidocaine, mepivacaine, tetracaine and bupivacaine. Here the mnemonic is LBMT, which is horrible. Based on duration of action, it is classified into ultra short, short, medium and long. Based on their potency, it is classified into low, intermediate and high. Let's speak about the composition. Along with the composition, I'll mention its functions. First one is local anesthetic agent, which is lignocaine or xylocaine. Lignocaine, when LA is given to some patients, it causes vasodilation, which means increase in the diameter of the blood vessels. Whereas mepivacaine and prilocaine, that doesn't cause any kind of vasodilation in the blood vessels. Vasoconstrictor, which is very important for local anesthetics. Most commonly used are adrenaline or epinephrine. Vasoconstrictor, the name itself tells, it causes the constriction of the blood vessels. Thereby it decreases the blood flow. It also decreases the absorption of LA into the cardiovascular system. It also decreases the systemic toxicity of LA. Due to constriction, it causes lesser bleeding at the site of injection, and it also prolongs the duration of action. Reducing agent, which is sodium metabisulfite, what happens, vasoconstrictor are unstable and sometimes it gets oxidized when exposed to the sunlight for a longer duration of time. To prevent the oxidation of vasoconstrictor, sodium metabisulfite, which is reducing agents, is added to the solution. What happens, the sodium metabisulfite is added to the solution, it competes for the availability of oxygen. It is added in a concentration between 0.05% and 0.1%. Preservative we add for the LA solution is methyl paraben, and its function is to maintain the sterility of the solution and also to keep the solution stable. That's why we add a preservative to the LA solution. And the fungicide we use is thymol. The vehicle is modified Ringer solution, where the LA agent is mixed or dissolved in the modified Ringer solution. This isotonic vehicle, it minimizes the patient discomfort while injecting the LA solution. So let's talk about the buffering agent, which is sodium chloride, which brings the tonicity of the solution. And this is all about the video, guys. I hope this was useful for you. Please subscribe to my channel.